Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have an update on my pepper plants that I started back on December the 1st. So I'm going to show them potted up, how they grew out. I'll show you some of them I've already potted up for this season. Okay, here we are. Here's some. Now these purple jalapenos, this is how they're already potted up to sell. This is where they are. They got fertilizer on that gray looking stuff is fertilizer on there, organic fertilizer. So these will grow out. These will be, I don't start selling around the end of April and the 1st of May, so these will be pretty big by then after I put them out in the greenhouse. You can see here all the peppers here. Got them all. I got to go through all of these and take them apart and pot them up. I'll have a video about that soon too, coming out. You can see some of these are like they're laying over. They're still droopy. These are ones just potted up today or yesterday. It takes 3 or 4 days or so, and they'll start standing up better like that, like this one right here. So you can see up here on the second shelf. See these right here. See all. Now they're all mixed up, but they all have name tags on them. So there's 34 varieties here. You can see these right here, like this spiral. How well they're growing out in this pot. How many are in here? I don't know how many's in there exactly. Depending on how many seeds I had or put in there, but don't all of them always come up. This is Apocalypse Scorpion. There's a lot of others back there. Purple jalapenos. The jalapeno M's right here. And Tam jalapenos. Fresnos. Long thin cayennes. Hungarian yellow wax. Reapers. Shane's Grim Reaper. Komodo dragons. Dragon's Breath. This death spiral here. Jay's Peachy Ghost Scorpion right there. A whole bunch of them inside here got to be potted up. Few of these come out. I didn't have a 10. See this Komodo dragon. They're coming up. They're starting to yellow. They need to be fertilized a little bit better. But that's where they look. Let me show you what's up on the top shelf. Here's these up here have been potted up for a week now. You can tell they look a lot sturdier because they're growing already. All these are well, I got purple dream peppers, Anaheim chili, orange habaneros, ghost peppers, Caribbean red habaneros, Reaper X pink tigers, and I think that's all that's up here. Some Naga vipers back there in the back. But you can see how much better they look after about 4 or 5 days. They'll start standing up like this and start growing out, as long as they stay fairly warm. It's a slow process unless you have it on heat. These are not on heat mats, so if they're on heat mats, they grow a lot faster. But this is how I always grow them out every season. These will be transferred again to the Pepsi, to the 2-liter drink bottles, just like the others. I just put some of them in there because I didn't have enough little styrofoam cups. But I'm experimenting, probably putting them in 16-ounce styrofoam cups to start with, transfer them once, never have to touch them again. So instead of doing it 2 or 3 times. But I just do it this way just to save some space during the season as I'm growing them before I put them out in the greenhouse. So, well, I guess that's about it. We'll have I have another video out soon about potting them up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.